Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can stabilize a video in DaVinci Resolve. Before that, make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this useful. Now, once you have imported your video into the media pool right there, you want to go ahead and click on the edit section, the third button at the bottom. Now, once you are here, you want to go ahead and click inspector and you will be redirected to this page on the video section. You want to scroll down until you see stabilization option. You want to click on it. You can also see it just like so. So just click on stabilization and you will see there's a lot of options to choose from. So for example, there's a zoom and camera lock and also free stabilization modes. So perspective, similarity, and translation. So for now, let's choose perspective and let's choose zoom. Now you can also edit these ones, cropping ratio, smooth, and strength. So let's, for example, choose these options and click stabilize. Now it will analyze the clip and stabilize this video in these modes and settings. And choose a similarity one. Let's see how it looks like on similarity stabilization. Now, let's again play the video. Yes, it's quite stable now, actually. And the last thing we want to try is, of course, translation. I heard that this translation stabilization mode is the best one and basically works the best with these moving videos. So basically, you just choose a mode which fits you the best. And you can also go ahead and choose the cropping ratio, smoothness, and strength, and apply it to your video. So if this video was helpful, please subscribe to this channel, leave a like on this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.